Yo, what is good, YouTube? It's your boy SavyReacts. I'm back with another video. So for today, we have a video from the channel Rustage, and this video is called Chainsaw Man Rap Lost in the Night. Rustage featuring Jonathan Young. I think it's been a minute since we last reacted to Rustage, so I'm excited to hear another one of his raps. His flow is crazy and the music is top tier, so I'm glad that we're reacting to him again as well. So, and I'll be posting this on Monday, so I've been consistent like I thought I would be, and that's great. Trying to post every week like I said in the last video, so yeah. And then I'm about to go on break, so I'm gonna post like 3 times throughout that break. Trying to get a lot of videos out, trying to stay more consistent. Yeah.
Psych a lot.
But yeah, Chainsaw Man. If you guys haven't heard of Chainsaw Man, if you watch anime, you guys have to watch that right now, or read the manga and like wait for the episodes to come out, which is what I'm doing. But I watched the first like 3 episodes. I'm not gonna lie, because it was really great. The animation is just immaculate right now. But yeah, Chainsaw Man is an amazing show, and if you haven't checked it out, go check it out right now. But yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Hope you guys are having a great day. Drink your water. I have my water in my Powerade bottle, you know. But yeah, before we get in this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn that post notification button so you get notified every time I post a video. And let's get right into this reaction, man. Let's go. Hold up. I have to go back. I'm gonna read what that said just in case if it's important. It's probably not, but I'm gonna read it anyway. So, this video may potentially contain seizure triggers for those with photosense. Oh, well, I'm okay because I don't have that issue. Indeed. I'm gonna start it over. Alrighty, let's get this started. I love the music.
We cannot be judged for what we dream for. Venom seeping in throughout the lies and all the sweet talk.
Okay.
Living in a world I can't handle all the G-force. Lost amongst the ways, and it's been ages since I've seen shores.
Yeah.
So turning back once the decision has been made. Every
Okay.
price will have a price, it's just equivalent exchange. I've been waiting for the chance to live on minimum a day, and I've been working like a pig like this is.
Hold up. Oh, hold up. I missed a couple bars, but he said equivalent exchange, which is from Full Metal Alchemist. If you guys haven't heard of that show, it's amazing as well.
Throughout the lies and all the sweet talk, living in a world and I can't handle all the G-force. Lost amongst the ways, and it's been ages since I've seen shores. So turning back once the decision has been made. Every price will have a price, it's just equivalent exchange. I've been waiting for the chance to live on minimum a day.
Okay.
I've been working like a pig like this is spirited away. I've been digging my
Nah,
the devil is a part of me.
the Spirited Away bar, that movie, it's probably in my top 5 anime movies. Maybe top 3. Maybe top 3, yeah. Along with, I don't know, Akira and another one. Because those are top tier. Okay. Okay. Hold up, the flow switch. Yo. Okay, we got the vocals from Jonathan, I think his name is. Oh, Meowie and Power and Aki. Hold up, the chorus is really good. Yo.
I can feel it in my body. Heat when pain can lead to pleasure. I've been worrying in dichotomy.
Yeah.
They come for me like visions, keeping doubting what I wanna be. I'm breaking out my prison cause I literally got the dog in me. Split him in divisions.
Oh, hold up. He's
I'm on a mission, cause shorter than using curse base. This is what I'm
yeah.
giving the orders, another word.
Okay.
I've been living wishing to score him and get to first base.
Yo.
Don't know how to cry when bodies dropping. I've been feeling empty, lost the will to die. The gate to hell are always free for entry. Never wanted why I see the faces and I'm cream with them. Ain't nothing on my mind. I'm ripping through them like a feeding frenzy. I'm on the main course, cutting up in half. Look, I'll be tearing through an A4. Marking my relieving state floors when I wage war. This is what you came for. Tearing through the bodies like a motherfucking chainsaw.
Okay. That verse was heat. But I'm not surprised. And to the chorus again. Rev it up just like a chainsaw. Oh shit. Oh, the beat's about to drop. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Hold up, the chorus and him at the same time is amazing. Yo. Hold up. Okay. That rap was amazing. That was A1, I'm not gonna lie. Great job, Rushes and Jonathan Young. If I had to rate that out of 10, I give it 7.5 or 8 if I had to give my honest opinion, you know? It got me hyped, but like not as hype as the other ones on his channel, but it was really great, really solid. I liked it a lot actually. So, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn that post notification button so you get notified every time I post a video. And I'm gonna be out.